There's no other crime in New York. There's no other crime in New York. Yo, this is crazy, bro.
Get off of me, yo. Get off of me, man. This time, and you're trying to arrest me for riding my bike.
Yo, take it easy. Take a deep breath, bro. It's alright, bro. Take a deep breath. They're gonna wall out on you. Chill, bro. Don't resist, bro.
God, man.
Don't resist. Take it easy, bro.
You could have just told me to get off the bike.
Just relax, bro.
He knew I had to
Put your hands behind your back. Relax, man.
No, I'm sick of this.
Relax, bro. They're gonna wall out on you.
For the bike, I just want to try to see if I can get a badge number or something. Can we get a number or something? Which officer is this? I just feel like this is OD for a bike.
Bro, you see how thirsty they was to run down on me, bro? Go riding my bike. Go riding my bike on the platform.
This guy is arrested in the subway for riding his bike on the platform.
Why is it like 20 of these motherfuckers? He already on the floor. He already on the floor. He already on the floor. He already on the floor, bro. Yo, there's no other crime in New York. There's no other crime in New York. Yo, this is crazy, bro. This is what the taxes go to? 31? That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. Bro. They loving this, bro. Mad hard off of this, bro. Bro, it's the they brought out the whole precinct. Are you Wow. What?
No, it was TPS.
Yo.
You don't ride a bike in the subway. Yep, they got a point. Of course, police are going to stop you for that. It's a no-brainer. And it seems like a lot of the viewers praised the police for their efforts. This person wrote, "Great job, officers. That bike is stolen and he knows it." And another person commented, "God bless the NYPD." I think we can all agree he won't be riding his bike in the subway again. Thanks so much for watching It's Gone Viral. And of course, if you have any videos to share with us, send them over to our team for your chance to earn $250.